The consent manager has come out as the dark horse in the data protection regime. There was this brief reference to them in the law when the legislation was passed. We didn't take it seriously. We thought that okay, they're there, and they are emerging as this new regulated entity. The present data regime centers around consent. Uh, Consent is the most important thing, and then it is almost gamifying the way data principals give their data out to you. That's a thing, and that's a bad thing. Data principals are going to feel in control of their data. Schema of the law is such that it feels that the consent manager is an optional thing. It is not necessary for every data fiduciary to have a consent manager. It feels like it. They have not been very clear about it yet. But it is this guy who is going to make this Starbucks like order for your data principal, because you're supposed to give them the option to keep data, to erase data, to modify data. And they are important because they're saying that if there is a data breach, for example, you are supposed to notify each data principal, and the proof that you have notified each data principal will be the data fiduciary's responsibility. Especially people who are there in insurance, investment and banking know how difficult it is to keep track of your customer. Emails, mobile numbers, they change every 2 months. And so consent managers are the dark horse in this entire game. If you are a tech company looking for a new product, this one is definitely up your alley, because people are going to have trouble pulling their data sets. People are going to have trouble managing their elephants and ensuring that the elephants are constantly updating their phone numbers, their email addresses. The consent managers are also supposed to be interoperable, just like the account aggregators. And so, they will be basically catering to multiple data fiduciaries. And the more number of data fiduciaries they cater to, the bigger, the stronger they will become. How the consent managers are not allowed to use the data for any other purpose. They're only supposed to be managers. That is one issue that people may have. But as Anurup said in his inaugural speech, I think transparency is going to be the name of the game. As we speak right now, what's its name? DeepSeek. Sorry. So DeepSeek has started to get banned in European Union. It has been just banned in Italy, and they are saying that the way it collects, stores and transfers data is not transparent, and so they are banning the product. I think this game in the long term is going to be about how transparent you're able to be about your processes, how you're able to develop a legitimate business model despite all the do's and don'ts, monetize on the data. And the hint is in the fact that anonymized data or aggregated data is not covered under this, and how you're able to make a business model out of it is going to be the game. Or become a consent manager. Everyone's going to need one.